but I want to start it off by showing you guys my first time washing my hair with this new cut, and this is how it looks blow dried. Like, I legit have a nice little round afro. I love it. Look at it. And I officially dislike Manic Panic because it just does not work. Like, I definitely suggest Adore, but my mom did a great job cutting. She cut a perfect circle. That is some good cutting. I absolutely love my hair. So right now I'm just about to flat iron. If you guys want some hair videos, let me know what you want. But I just want to come out here and show you guys what it's looking like. I'm about to look snatched around about 20 minutes. Alright, you guys, so this is my hair. I just did a slight little bump, but I actually did cut it a little bit shorter, and it is so cute, y'all. I'm so excited. But for all of my subscribers who have their own homes or their own apartments, I'm going to be doing some more like home decluttering, organizing videos, because I love watching those, and my kitchen is in the process of getting redone slowly but surely. So I will be doing videos like that. So if you guys are excited for that, let me know. But I just love where my channel is going right now. Like, it's so fun, so fresh. So the channel is about to be lit, honey. Like, I'm so excited. So right now I'm just about to organize my pantry, organize my kitchen cleaning supplies. I'm so excited. This stuff really makes me happy right now. That's how you know your girl is growing up. Y'all, so all my curls fell. So right now I just have like a straight bob, but I legitimately got like so much organization stuff done today. So I'm so proud of myself. My hair is like some weird colors right now. I don't know what's going on with it, but yes, I'm about to lay it down. It is 10 o'clock at night and I'm tired, and I still have stuff on the floor that I need to put up. So right now I am in the process of making some throw pillows for my bed. This one is already complete and it is looking so good. I actually started these when I was in 8th grade home ec class. Like, look at the other side. This is my first time using the embroidery machine, but this is gonna look so good on my bed. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also gonna be changing my sheets, so you guys will be seeing my bed transform once again tonight. So let me hurry up and finish this. All right, you guys, so I am about to change my sheets. So my bed is about to look totally different, and I have my pillows that I'm gonna add. So I am super excited. Like, look how good this lighting is. So that's what I'm about to do. Let's get alright, you guys, so this is how my bed is looking. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the pillows like this, but I'm trying to see which way I like them, with the gold at the front or with the back. But this is how we're looking right now. I'm still going to get something to go across here, but you guys get the vibes. I don't like a lot of accent pillows, and all of these are what I had already.
To look amazing.
Good morning, y'all. I just want to show you guys the part of the video I'm recording. I'm doing a pantry organization right now. I have food all over the kitchen, but yesterday I completely finished this area. So look how cute. This is contact paper and everything. This is so nice. I am in love with organizing. And I also did underneath the sink. Look at that. I'm so excited. I love it so much. I am so in love. This kitchen is gonna be bomb. You guys know I've been putting in a bunch of work on this kitchen. It's gonna be lit. Step one was to completely take loose the pans, and I did that. I just seam ripped everything. So now I have a front piece and I have a back piece that is over here, and they are identical. I took out the elastic because I'm not going to need that anymore. But this is how the material looks, having two pieces. And I will be making a bodysuit, but I'm not going to have snaps at the bottom because those are super duper uncomfortable, and I just hate snaps, and I don't like when they're fully attached. So I'm going to make a string bodysuit. It's going to be kind of different, but I just want to vlog this experience. So right now I'm going to do a little sketch of how I want it to look. So I'm going to start from there. Of course, and as you guys saw yesterday, I started back sewing finally, and I started back sketching and drawing, so I'm so excited. That's what this vlog is going to be about. Sewing, sketching, drawing. I'm so excited to get back into that. I'm finally going to be starting school in September, so I'm so excited for that. I just need my scrubs. I don't have my scrubs yet, but basically everything else I have. I have my bag, all that stuff. I know what time I'm going to be going. I'm super excited. I'm gonna start back on the bodysuit today, and I'm gonna be showing you another thrift flip that I'm doing. So I'm super excited about doing those because I need some more clothes and I don't have no money. So I am going to be making my new clothes. So I am super stoked about that. Right now I'm at the bread place. You know, the place with the 99-cent bread. And we just need a couple loaves. And then I'm going to go home, make a smoothie, then go to work. I flipped my part over, but this is where I originally had it the first time I cut it. But today I need to grease my scalp. I did my makeup. I worked out. I've been working out consistently, y'all. Let me know if you guys want a fitness routine, but let me do it for a month first, because y'all know I'm not good with staying consistent working out, but I am going to try. I have like an alternating workout. I do some videos for 2 weeks. So right now it's going pretty good. I do legs, abs, and like I alternate between those, like 4 videos. I'm super excited about it. Your girl's trying to get snatched for the winter. So yes, I think that's it. I just want to come on here and talk to y'all. What am I talking about? Alright, you guys, so I just have this brand new pair of underwear. They're not even used, but I don't really like them, so I'm gonna do something else with them. But I'm using them as a size reference for the piece right here. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the sketches. I'm tripping. These are my sketches. I'm finally getting back into sketching. So this is just the front piece and this is the back piece of the bodysuit. This is how I'm going to construct the top. So I just numbered every piece that I'm going to have. I have 4 pieces that I need to cut in total. The size, I'm not creating a pattern because I haven't got that far yet. I'm not used to making patterns, but I'm going to get into that. But I know every piece I need, you know, how I'm going to do it, the hems, the size, the type of material I'm using. So this is actually came out really nice. And I did another one for, where is it? For the shirt I'm making. So we're gonna come back to this, but right now I'm about to cut out piece number 1, and then I'm gonna do piece number 4 and come back to 2 and 3. So I used my chalk and I measured, so now I'm going to cut out piece number 1. And I measured seam allowance. I'm making it especially to my body, so I'm just measuring with seam allowance, and I'm about to. Alright, you guys, so I really want to show you guys every part of this. So as you can see, I definitely made it a little bit too long because, you know, somewhere my measurements, probably because I didn't measure this when I was making the drawing, but this is definitely too long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the crotch part up, but only in the front, because to me the back looks fine. Like I'm just gonna probably like go up a little bit, but other than that it's looking great. As you can see, it's all attached. I even did the sides. This is not attached yet because I don't know if I want to like bring that up a little bit, probably so, but that's things that you can do at the end to adjust how much you want to show or not. So right now I'm just going to bring this piece up so it can actually be, you know, like a bodysuit. So I just want to show you guys that everyone makes some mistakes, but it's really easy to fix. It's better for things to be too big than to be too small, and you can't go back and fix it. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys that I pinned pieces 2 and 3 to piece 1. So I finally got that together and I pinned it. Make sure you're pinning you know, the good sides together to where the, you know, you're sewing and it's gonna look like this basically. I don't know how to describe it, but when you're sewing, both sides should be the wrong side. And also remember to leave some space. You should not be sewing on the edge. As you can see, the needle is gonna drop right here, and I have like a 1/2 seam allowance. You can also like glue this together. I know some people like to use liquid stitch, and you can do that too, but you know, I'm a sewer, so make sure you're not sewing on the edge, because that is going to make your stitches come loose. So right now I'm just going to sew and leave like this much of seam allowance. Alright you guys, so please excuse the dryer, but right now I'm doing a very important part of creating an actual wearable thrift flip and something that doesn't look totally like too homemade. Right now I'm trying to decide where I want the pattern to match up. As you can see, I kind of have like some symmetry going on a little bit. So right now I'm working with the piece I already cut out, and this is going to be piece number 2 right here. So I kind of did it like kind of differently, but it doesn't really matter. I'm working on this piece right here, and I want the pattern to line up, you know, pretty well. So right now I'm just trying to get this pretty symmetrical, and as you can see, it's looking pretty good. So I am excited about that. So now I'm about to cut out piece number 2. So right now it is so good to have this dummy, this mannequin. If you have a mannequin, please use it, but right now I'm just roughly draping it to get the 2 front chest pieces. So right now I just pinned it, and I use my sewing crayon right here, fabric crayon that I got, and I'm about to outline it some more so I can cut it. Alright you guys, so I just finished cutting out piece number 4, but I didn't get to, you know, like really detail it yet. But first I just used piece number 1 to cut out the side. So basically I just have 2 squares right here that are in the shape of a bodysuit at the bottom. So now I'm gonna start working on pieces 2 and 3, and then we're gonna come back to detail cut these. Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna go back in the laundry room and try to, you know, get back to sewing and sketching and cutting out basically, because I'm still cutting out. So that's what I'm about to get into right now. I did my makeup. If you want some makeup videos, let me know, because I can definitely start recording it for you guys. So I can definitely get back into that, but you gotta let me know. What else? Also needs to get some editing done today, but I will definitely be showing you guys how I progressed on the thrift flip of sorts. So let me leave the room. I got up at like 9 or 10 and it's 11:30, so let's go. Alright you guys, so I am finally finished. I hemmed everything and I put the little ties on there because I didn't want to attach it, you know, because I didn't have it. I don't like snaps on my bodysuit because they're so uncomfortable. But don't mind me, I'm looking kind of rough. I'm halfway into decompressing for the night, but I love it so much. I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on jeans after I take my makeup off and everything to show you guys the completed look. But it's so nice. I have a tie in the front and a tie in the back, and this is the back exactly how I sketched it. I'm so excited. So let me go put on my jeans. Alright you guys, so can I just say that I am in love. Look at it. So I didn't want it to be all tight because I wanted to look like a regular shirt, but I think I'm gonna start doing this to all of my shirts. And look at the belt, y'all. This is a belt that you saw in one of my past vlogs. It's not even a belt, it's actually a choker, but it's gonna be a belt today. It's a diamond choker that I got from Cato's for like $12, and this is the finished shirt. I just wanted to get a little bit cute for y'all, but I'm definitely going to be doing a video with this outfit, so stay tuned for that. And cute, and I made it to where I can still wear a bra because I love wearing a bra. I can totally see this outfit, y'all. This is a look. Like I completely close it to where this won't move, and it's like, it's not super tight because I don't like wearing super tight things. Your girl don't have her 6-pack yet, so it don't even it don't look bad, you know. Tell me what you think, you guys. I love it. I feel like this was a nice little Upcycle. This was some pants at first, if you guys remember from the first clip, but I absolutely love it with my little shoes on. Yes, I will definitely be styling this with a bag and everything. I am in love with this outfit. So yes, now we're going to start working on my second shirts probably after tomorrow, but tomorrow I'm going to be making my curtains. So finally I'm going to have something back here instead of just white blinds. So stay tuned for that tomorrow. And also tomorrow I have a meeting with my school, so I'm trying to show you guys my outfit.